name is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 𝒆𝒅𝒖𝒍𝒆. I am from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Will you help me plant the weed? Asked little red hen. No. My best friend name is Farida. She is 7 years old.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashid Mutaradid. I am from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Baba bat, dada dat, ha ha hat, mama mat, papa pat.
Will you help me cut the weed? Asked little red hen. Next, my mother. My mother's name is Moushumi Ahmed. She's a... Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Tasbih Nuhan. My best name. The bed is fed. The have I have. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ghalibur Rahman. Asked the little red hen. No, said my name is Syed Mamun Alam Rafat. My batch number is volume 157. Today I will take a test. Jam, raga, ram, haha, hand, sasa, sam. No, said little red hen. I will eat.
Will you help me cut the weed? Asked little red hat. No, said my sister name is Muntaha Bintanai. She is 4 years.
Will you help me make the bread? Asked little red hen. Hello everyone, it's me from the little Russian Dito. I am from ELCBD. I can see the fan. The pan is hot. Hello friends, welcome to the famous English Language Center in Bangladesh. I am Akila Esham. Today I will take a test. Will you help me cut the weed? Asked little red hen. No, said the rat.
Little red hen, the rat, and there are 5 members in my family. There are my mother, my father, and my 2 sisters and me.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, 𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 from the famous and well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Egg, bag, tag, stag, swag, flag, smack. Then I will plant it all by myself, said little red hen, and she did. This is me, 𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 from famous and well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. I'm a part of 𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 159. I am Sam. Sam has a jam jar. The rams.
Now I'm going to read some sentences with correct pronunciation. Once upon a time, there were...
The ugly duckling met a boy. You are ugly, said the boy. Go away. The ugly duckling met a girl. I have a wonderful family. There are 3 members in my family.
Once upon a time, there were 3 bears, and the 3 bears loved to eat parrots. My name is Nausin Islam. I'm 14 years old. I read in class 9 at Mirpur Bangla School and College.
Hello everyone, this is me, 𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉. I'm from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. Then I will make it all by myself.
Then ran into the van. The fan is scared. The fan is on the stand.
Friend is an important person with whom we feel comfortable and share our joys and sorrows.
This bed is too hard, said Goldilocks. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right.
Who's been sitting in my chair? Said Daddy Bear. Who's been sitting in my chair? Said I want enormous turning for my teeth, said the old man. He pulled and he pulled, but he... With my score. My score is 8 short.
It is located in Manipur.
This woman called to the boy, "Help us pull this enormous turnip." She said,
Whose name? I have an younger brother. Her name is Arifin Alam. Will you help me plant the wheat? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat, the cat.
Now it's story time. The old man called to the boy. Up jumped the troll. "I'm going to eat you up," said the troll.
she is 26 years old. She discussion is MA. She takes writing class of ELCBD.
Family is very important in every person's life. Family.
Friend is an important person with whom we feel comfortable.
Will you help me cut the wheat? Asked Little Red Hen.
Language Center, Bangladesh. Today, I am the part of KT 159. Today, I will read out some.
Now I'm talk about myself. So let's begin.
This year too soft. This year just right. Oops. My best friend name is Saida Hussain. She is 12 years old. She read
First, I would like to tell you about my mother. My mother's name is. Today, I am going to tell about short sentence.
Now it's story time, and the story is Three Bears and Goldilocks.
She came to school early.
Now it's story time.
Once upon my father's name is Marufar Hassan. She is a respected maid. My mother is a housewife. I am 9 years old. I read in class 4. Yes, cream. My mother name is Sudha Durun. She is 36 years old. She is a housewife. She cooks. Will you help me make the bread? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat.
Lord,
It starts with
very
Little Red Hen, and she goes.
Derby. Wow, wee. Skit. Tweet.
Then I will plant it all by myself. 𝒂𝒂𝒔𝒔. My father's name is Shafiqur Rahman. He
We will find somewhere else just as good for you. But Mom sometimes break the rules or traffic signals and they don't drive.
She came running out of the old wooden door as soon as she saw it drew up outside. Furniture for our homes and also make.
She came running out of the old wooden door as soon as she
saw it grow up outside. The children like the book. For our life in school library, we can go and read so many books.
I hope these three won't disturb you very much in your work. Quantin is
And that's very important as we can see so many table contents as well, so as technology debating contents as well.
Yes, and she has a child of her own too. Said Mom. What's her name?
Fanny said that she's thinking of getting a lawyer for a while to bring a
School magazine is an annual publication.
long, a rainy day, is dull and gloomy. I bumped into Quentin's wife in town the other day, and I was unhappy watching for the car.
Go through Fawcett as well. I'm afraid a great surprise. Students see their writing in a magazine.
Great surprise. Mom, have you decided to take some sick laws about and also maintain?
There are so many reasons behind load shedding.
At the breakfast table, can you go to at her school? We're looking for a term, and all the girls read the novel. The name is important. It was the last week of the Christmas dream, and all the girl and
For their basic needs. The basic needs of human beings include food, clothes, shelter.
One who would like to study in a peace and calmful place. The library contains
looking for Julian and Dick in the carriage that passed.
Ha ha, head, sad, bra bra, bread.